What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Marcos, and today we're checking out this case bundle. You get a case, you get some tempered glass, you get 2 good tempered glass, you get the cleaning supplies to clean your phone, and you also get a tempered glass for your camera, so you protect your cameras. So let me get my phone, let me set up the tempered glass, and let me show you how good this case is. So we have our installation kit. Pretty much we get everything we need to make sure that this tempered glass goes on perfectly. So what you need to do is you need to bring out this installation kit, wipe it down. Once you wipe it down, you want to dry it. So let's dry it. Get all the fuzzies out. You get 2 tempered glass and 2 back camera tempered glass as well to protect your phone. So as you can see, it's very clean. Here's a tempered glass. It looks like quality tempered glass. And let's put it on. You want to align it. Once you align it, you just let it go. Squeeze a little bit. And as you can see, it's a very good quality tempered glass. It looks super clean. Does not affect the touch, but it's gonna help it in case you ever, hit it with anything, or in case you have your keys in your pocket. Nothing's gonna happen to your front glass because you have this tempered glass. You're obviously not gonna hit it with a hammer, but normal scratches and stuff like that are not gonna happen when you have this tempered glass. Now, let's clean up the back, and let's actually clean up the back of the camera. Dry it up. Make sure it's nice and dry, nice and clean. And we also get the tempered glass for the back camera. It is clear. And you want to line it up, squeeze, and as you can see, the tempered glass is nice and installed. And then to make it all perfect, here's the case. So as you can see, here's a close-up of the case itself. It has some nice rugged edges right here in the back, kind of like a smoke back. It's really nice, it's soft. We see we have the camera protected. It does have a raised lip right here on the top. Here on the right side, we have some nice cool buttons right here for the volume. Let me turn it on. Whoop. Volume buttons right here. We have the hole right there for the silence button. Power button right here. Works really good. Tempered glass here in the front. Does not mess with the front at all, but it will protect the front. Now let's go outside and see how it handles with a drop. So as you can see, nothing happened to it. It should withstand drops up to 12 feet. That's one drop. Now let's give it another one, face first. And let's pick it up. As you can see, phone is protected, back camera is safe, front is safe, nothing happened to it. So overall, Humixx case for the iPhones. There you have it, guys. So hopefully this video helps you guys out.